been doing is releasing Padre once a week. In the last couple of months, we changed it to once every 2 weeks, but still quite often we release a version to CPAP. Still, we don't do the packages. For example, the Windows LSI package is generated once every 3 months, I think. But those people who are ready to live on the more bleeding edge, they get the release out there. It's also very good because then any contributor who sends us a patch or does some change will see the result in a released version just within 2 weeks. And it's a really, really strong feedback style loop. I see. People like it very much. Then the other thing is publicity. Okay, I overrun my 15 minutes. Build a website. Okay, so if you want just a project, build a website, blog about it a lot, about the project, whatever we are doing, and freshly then send out these notes there. Generally do noise and SEO, search engine optimization. And then also give talks. Give talks on various events. So Perl workshops, YAPCs, FOSDEM, TELIT, whatever. You can find a place, just give a talk about it and get more people. So that was the part of about the project management. And I have a leftover 15 minutes, including in this 5 minutes. Answering the question that the Padre is for you actually. So how long have you been programming with Perl? Like who programming like more than 5 years? Okay, it's not for you. Anyway, let me ask a couple of questions. Who sees the bug in this? Raise hand. Who sees the bug? Anyone?
Yeah.
What is the bug?
Once.
Okay, so what does the user get? The user gets this error message. Okay, when you run the code, this is the error message. Okay? Well, and just imagine I'm teaching Perl. So I just told the people use warnings, and they just typed in that thing, and they get this error message. So what does this mean? Can't locate warning to PM. So what do? Well, install warning, but just PM, right? How do I install it? Okay, it just told us. So, well, it's not exactly the right thing. Someone should tell them just to use warnings, right? So maybe an error message like this would be nice, and actually Padre has this error message. So if you type in use warning, try to run your code, it will tell you that, okay, no, it's warnings. Please use that. Instead of giving a huge error message. Okay, sorry?
You already caught me on that the second time. I think it works.
Okay, so Padre is for beginners, actually. Okay, so I fixed it. What is the problem now? Okay.
Yeah.
Missing my. Okay, just the timing, how long does it take for you to notice the problem? Okay, so missing the my. So I ran the code, and this is what I got. Global symbol, blah, 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 requires X package name. No, what the hell is a package name? Imagine you have been learning Perl for like 10 minutes now.
10 years.
Sorry? So, but actually I already told them that they can get a much better error message if they put in, use the diagnostics or run through the thing, the splints. So this is what use diagnostics are. Execution of code, aborted, whatever you have said. No, I didn't say that one. Not good. I should say something like this. Okay, something simple, and then say press here for more explanation. Okay? So people actually can understand what the real reason there. But people don't want to get all this explanation at the beginning. They just want something to get to work.
What does the ear give you?
No idea. I'm just saying that. It should give the more detailed explanation. Okay, so go on. What's the problem here? Sorry? Okay, use feature, use 510 is not there. Okay, so say works only if you actually tell them that it's a newer version. Okay, what does Perl tell you about this? String founder operator expected. Okay, cool, nice. But if you're already by 510, you could actually recognize that someone is trying to use a feature of 510 without telling you that it's trying to use the feature. For no specific, and if I just was calling foo, I would okay. This is such a message, but I'm just calling silly. This is what the diagnostics tells me. So who will read this note? Okay, can you just please write? Could that be the error message? Okay, so the Padre is for the inpatient.
Okay. You might have a typo there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a patient that's in the hospital.
Okay,
Impatient means something totally different.
okay. This is the fourth time I did this talk, the first time from someone actually noticed anything. So this is not Perl 6, as you can see, because it's using 4 each. But this construct, and this works. Why does it work? This Perl 5 code is working.
That's the cloud syntax.
Yeah. I mean, someone actually wrote this code in my class. And then we had like a fight for 10 minutes. Because he was saying that, well, this works. And the 10, yeah, but it's not correct. But it works. So anyway, yeah, so people write this kind of code. And it would be nice to tell them that what this actually is. Because, well, this is the code. So it's for advanced beginners. Okay, so now I think this is the last thing that you're already read.
Okay.
Anyway,
Okay.
what does this do?
Well, it would work. It would always work.
And this is a good Perl 5 code. It's actually Abigail is not in, right? But he is writing this code and he's fighting for this to be right. What does this do?
It runs, isn't it? It's an assignment.
Sorry?
It's an assignment inside the expression test.
Yeah, it doesn't do anything. It assigns nothing to that.
What does it do?
It's written in Hebrew.
It matches the $_
This is what it does.
Yeah.
Right? It actually matches the $_ and the result is going in there. And then it's evaluated as an if. So it's checked whether it's true or not. Now people do write that code, of course, thinking that it's a good code. Because they are experts. And okay, they know what they do. But beginners also write that code without actually understanding what they do. And then this thing either blows up for them, I mean, trying to match undef here, which is the good part. The worst part is that if there is something in $_ and then it does something totally different than what they expect, and then they are just, okay, what the hell? Okay? So, Padre is for the expert beginners who try to correct this. Okay, that's I'm finishing soon. Okay, so extension languages. Okay, VI, Emacs, and Eclipse. Comparing the extension languages. Okay, who uses VI? Okay. Have you been writing this code? You are familiar with this one? Right, this is the language of VI. Okay, who is using what is the next one? That's Emacs. Okay, who is using this code? Right. Emacs using, but I've never too. I love this, but I've been using it for like 15 years. Okay. And Eclipse? Okay, I just wrote here a small example here. Now, Padre has a way cooler and much more readable extension language. It looks like this. You can understand it, right? Yeah. So Padre is for the Perl.
That's your right coming in. That's your right coming. Pretty patience.
Okay,
so just to show you Padre, this is how Padre looks like. This is the regular expression editor within Padre. I don't show you how it works, I just wanted to show you. And then this is now Padre syntax highlighting Perl 6 code. This is the XML parser. Here you can see the all kind of parts of that code. We are using the STDPM, which is the definition of Perl 6, to highlight it works extremely slowly. But it gives you. Yeah. No. The syntax highlighter is really slow. The syntax highlighter, because it's Perl 5 code generated from Perl 6 code.
I don't use that. Just the box itself is not there.
Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. Thank you.
Well, I have the outline up.
Sorry?
When I have the outline up, what happens all the time is I go to another module, and I have in some of them like 50 or 60 objects within the same module. You know. I have linked it in the subversion.
When you install the zipped package version, is that completely independent of the Perl you've already got installed on your?
Yeah.
I mean, 5 minutes into the next guy.
break actually.
It's a break.
Yeah, we are done. We are done. Sorry, we are done. No questions. If anyone wants, I will be over outside.
So I was wondering if you, when you install the zip version, does it just install its complete own Perl sort of thing?
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah.
you could be running 512 on your box, but Padre is sort of 510 or whatever. It's all just completely.
Yeah. Yeah, it can. I mean, you can configure inside Padre that when you run it through a script, that it actually runs on a different Perl than the one that Padre is running. And but there are some issues still with Strawberry Perl that it can't be installed. It can only be installed in C Strawberry or D Strawberry or whatever. They are working on it. And but the zip version is actually relocatable version, I think. So you can put it anywhere. You just have to make sure that the paths are not. The path configuration of Windows doesn't interfere there. But that's the same with Linux actually. So if you have in the past, you have to make sure that. Change is outside.
No, I'm not going to run public account, right? So the only thing I don't do is I don't run